Welcome to the residential building program here at the Center for Technology at Essex. I'm one of the building instructors, Chris Welch. What we have is a 2-year program to offer students. It's a very fast-paced, industry-driven curriculum that we've put together that promotes an open and accepting program culture that focuses on the development of the 21st century skills necessary to be successful outside of high school. CTE is lucky enough to have their own subdevelopment behind our classroom.
We're involved in building a house over the course of 2 years. My name is Matt Bruno, and I'm one of the instructors at the Building Trades residential program.
We do a ton of different things, from framing to finish work to pretty much the basis of digging up a ground and starting a house. Hi, my name is Kyra. I've been at the Center for Technology Essex for 3 years now.
In the first year, we go from framing all the way to putting in the windows, the roof gets applied, the rough-in plumbing, the rough-in electrical. We try to insulate most of the building before the end of that first year.
So students in this program will have the opportunity to work hand in hand with the plumbing and electrical contractors that come on site during the rough-in and finish stages of the house. This provides students a sort of career work experience on site here in order to gauge their level of interest in a electrical or plumbing HVAC field job in the future.
The second year is when all the finish happens. We use all the industry tools. We use industry's current trends so that the house, when it does go to market, sells just as quickly as every other house.
The last house that the students finished in 2019 was a 2-story, 2,800 square foot home that went for a little over $500,000. So the students are doing great work. They should be very proud of what they do.
We have a lot of fun on the job site, which allows us to get to be a tight-knit group. Students get to know each other, and it's great because it transfers into getting a lot of work done. Hi, I'm John Wolf. We focus here on transferable skills as we build the house, so that we give you the skills after school. You can go out and apply those skills in a job.
Along the way, students get a few certifications. The first year students get OSHA 10. The second year students require OSHA 30. We do CPR, first aid, and AED training. They also go through the core curriculum provided by NCCER. This certification allows students to apply to any company that has the NCCER core curriculum and be guaranteed an extra wage, an extra little bit bump in their wage, and it guarantees them an interview.
My favorite thing would probably be being able to try anything that I really wanted, with the tons of opportunities that are opened up to me. If you're just looking for a new set of skills, certifications, a different type of learning, building is definitely a great program. I would definitely recommend 10 out of 10.